In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Cash App referral code. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a referral code that you received from someone else and also how to acquire your own invite link that contains the referral code. First, if you received a link to join Cash App by someone else, all that you have to do is open the link on a web browser, and this is what you should see. You are going to see their name at the top, so it is going to say join and then someone's name on Cash App. Basically, in order for you to use any referral code that you received, all that you have to do is go through the link. So instead of using the code that is shown on this page, go to the link and tap the option to get the app. As long as you get the app by following this link, as soon as you verify your account once it has been created, you will receive the referral bonus. Besides this, if you wish to acquire your own referral code or invite link, open the latest version of Cash App on any device, sign into your account where you are going to be inviting others, and tap on your icon at the top right corner of the home screen. In there, you will be able to find details about your profile, your cash tag, and most importantly, the option to invite friends. This is where you can acquire your own referral link that can be used to give others bonuses when they sign in to Cash App using your link. Like I said, and as you might imagine, once you have someone register and validate their identity for Cash App, you are going to receive a little bonus as well. Just make sure that you use this option, invite friends, and you input details about the contact who you are going to be inviting. Like I said in the beginning of the video, the person who will be using this code has to go through the sign up process by selecting this link instead, and both of you will receive all the bonuses automatically. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App referral code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.